This is what a kids meal looks like in Japan. A restaurant called My Curry recently opened up and I wanted to try it out, but I wasn't really all that hungry. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. I heard the kids meal came with a secret toy and low-key wanted it. After ordering on the machine, you can help yourself to a glass of tea. As I was doing that, one of the staff came up to me and politely said that I couldn't order the kids meal because I wasn't a kid. But because I already paid on the machine and really didn't know the rule, he took one for the team and got me my kids meal. I don't know why, but I was expecting the food to either taste really bland or overly sweet, but it was actually really good. I'm pretty sure they used the same food for adults, just different portion size. The meal even came with 2 little packets of jello, which really brought back some childhood memories. We had 1 orange and 1 grape flavor. It didn't taste any different than I remember, but hey, that's not always a bad thing. Now as for the secret toy, I'm sure you want to know what it is just as much as I did. After 5 minutes of struggling to open it up, inside was this cute little notebook. Yay! Definitely not what I was expecting, but what do you think I should use it for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more.